Discover the future of home construction. With Spark manufactured homes, crafted meticulously in our state-of-the-art factory and seamlessly transported to your build site. This innovative approach offers builders and developers a swift and efficient solution, eliminating material wastage and the complexities of coordinating tradespeople on site. With Spark's quick build process, you can expedite project timelines and mitigate construction delays, providing a timely solution to alleviate the housing crisis. Our expert team at Spark Group is ready to guide you through every step, from concept to completion, ensuring a hassle-free experience and delivering high-quality homes that exceed expectations. Don't let the challenges of traditional construction methods hinder your progress. Embrace the future of home building with Spark manufactured homes and revolutionize the way you create residential spaces. Contact our Spark Group experts today for a swift and effective build solution.